Hello, welcome to the tutorial on how to generate comma-separated string with STUFF function in Transact-SQL. Now, what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to search for Management Studio. Okay, so Management Studio is starting right now. So I'm going to click Connect. Let me expand databases. Okay. So let me create a new database. I right click on databases, new database. Let me create a database for ProductCatalogueDB. Let me make the owner SK. Go to table, folder, I right click and say new table. Category ID, type is int, and its primary key. I'm going to make it identity column, that is sequential integer numbering column. So let me have category name and the car 50. Save. Product categories. So let me expand tables folder. I right click on product category table, edit, top 200 rows is what I've selected. So let us say I am sport equipment, music equipment. So let me create another table. So I go to new table, product ID, that will be begins, that type will be begins. I make a primary key. Sorry, I'll delete this column. So I'll make this primary key, and then I'll make it identity column. Product name, SAN Bakar 70. Unit price, decimal, 18,2. Then you have category ID, whose that type will be int. Product ID identity. Yes. So it's time for me to save this table as products. Now let me do a relationship between products table and product category. table. So I right click anywhere on the designer for products table, I click relationships, I click add. So I go to tables and column spec, go to table and column spec, click the ellipsis, primary key table, product categories, category ID, as foreign key under products table, close. Then let me click the save all button. The following tables will be saved to your database. Do you want to continue? Yes. So now let me right click on tables in Object Explorer. I click refresh. So products table, edit top 200 rows. Fever. Under 17. 2022. World. Match dot. So unit price. Category ID. The category ID will be 1. So Yamaha TSR 570 keyboard. Category ID will be 2. Sure. Microphone. Category ID will be 2. Fiber 2021. Man. Basketball. So the category ID of these ones will be 1. So it is time to create a comma separated list for each product category. So now what I'm going to do is I'll right click on product category DB, say new query, create procedure, comma, separated lists of products by category ID. At category ID, the data type is int. As I'm not a good crammer, so I'm going to copy over code from something I've done before. So let me go to programmabilities under stored procedure here. Let me right click on this one. Script stored procedure, script to the query editor window. Okay, this is exactly what I need. So I come back here, I paste what I've copied. So I want the name of the columns that will be generated. I want the name of that column to be products first of all. I will leave the STUFF function the way it is. Double bracket select, comma, plus, from here, let me go back to, this time around I'm going to select from product categories table. So I'm going to say where category ID is equal to category ID for XML parts, comma 1, double quote. Of course, there is no column called facility name in product categories. Oh, sorry. This should be from products, not product category. From products. So, what's the column I want to display? Product name. So I'll change this to product name. So it's time for us to test whether our query is right. So I've passed it. It's time for me to execute. Command completed successfully. So when I go to programmability, I expand stored procedure, I see the new stored procedure, comma separated list of products by category ID. So let me right click on it and say execute stored procedure. Let me supply a value of 2. I think that's for sports equipment. Oh, let me supply a value of 1. That's for sports equipment. I click OK. So you can see I have FIFA under 17 2022 World Cup match ball, comma, FIBA 2021 Men's World Cup basketball, and they are separated by a comma. How about if I change the category ID to 2 and I click execute? So I have Yamaha PSR 570 keyboard and Shure microphone. Thank you for watching.